Hey, what's up YouTube? I am here with another video from my star student here that's doing pretty good. Alright, so again we're going to go turn left. Yeah, I'm gonna tell you again, please to like the video, subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. Alright, so we're gonna videotape for like 15 minutes. We're up in Parkland, so I'm gonna be showing you the scenery as we go for a little drive. Look at these places here. I go straight that way. It's definitely going to rain.
Think so on the way back?
It looks like it's going to rain. You don't see how overcast it is? I have a new student that just called me. I hope it doesn't rain. Before, yeah. You ever been out here? Yeah, this is pretty new. You notice I had to use the picture, your older picture for the video for yesterday. Tell me never take my picture. I gotta make sure I take a picture.
Ah, the birds.
Yeah. So you send the video to a lot of your friends yesterday, or you send it to the CM5?
My mom sent it, so whoever saw it, saw it.
Alright, so we're going to go straight.
What is this? I don't know.
It's new. They're not even done building over there. Like if you come here in the next 5 years, all of this will be full. Probably even less than that. Alright, so it's a four-way stop sign. So you look to see who gets there first. And then whoever gets there first goes first. So alright, stop completely. And you let the Mercedes go.
These are all rich cars.
Mercedes, Maserati. Go ahead. And the Tesla. All at the same intersection. That's how you know you, and BMW, that's how you know you're in Parkland. Yeah, I get a lot of students out here. In all of these developments actually. You got a Range Rover.
I like Range Rovers.
Yeah, they're cool.
I like the small ones more.
Yeah, you know I had a girl, 15 years old, student. She got a brand new Range Rover when she was 15. Like she got it like she couldn't get her license until like 6 months after they bought her a brand new Range Rover. Yeah. No, she was actually down by the beach, Fort Lauderdale Beach. The last couple of lessons that she took, we actually used the Range Rover because she wanted to use a Range Rover for her driving test.
Really?
So I just go to her house and drop off my car, and we jump in the Range Rover, and it's pretty cool. She had
How
her,
did she drive a bigger car?
huh?
How did she drive a bigger car like your first time driving?
If it's harder to drive, well, I mean, not really. I mean, you get used to it, just like any other car. You know, you have to practice and then get used to it. All right, so we're gonna make a left turn here. Yeah, if you came out here a couple of years ago, there was really nothing out here. It was, you see, I go over there, look. Yeah. Okay, now it's your turn. Yeah, a couple of years ago, out here it was all like that. Literally. So now it's been completely
Is there a
developed.
Porsche behind us?
Yeah, there's a Porsche.
That's so nice.
new developments. All of these are like within the last year. So you come to a complete stop, and then you look down here, you see after this guy, then you can go into your right lane. Right. Good job.
I see that car coming.
I saw that car. This is like Jamaica. One lane going, one lane coming. Yeah. Back in the days before they started building out here, they used to be out here racing at nights.
Really?
Out here there's nothing. There's like no lights or nothing out here back in the days. And they used to come out here and just race bikes and cars on this road. Pay attention to I know it doesn't, but yeah. Construction trucks.
Never been back here.
Most people never come back here. I come back here all the time. I mean, like I said, I know they used to race out here. So once I started the school, I bring people out here occasionally, depending on how well they're driving, because this is not a road that you want to play with. See over here, you come back here in a year and this will be all completely developed. As soon as you see that truck, you see you stepped up to pass the truck. I saw that.
I never pay attention to driving ever when I'm older.
Most people as long, when they're passengers in the car, they just go in and sit down and that's it. They don't pay attention. When you start driving though, you're like, wow. Just like most of the time, if you ask a student, when I ask my student, even if I'm a block from their house, I'm like, do you know where you are? 9 times out of 10, they have no clue. Because they're not paying attention. Because they're not driving.
Definitely.
See that over there? That's like a part of Boca.
Yes?
Yes, that's the Boca that people don't know about though. See that? Trailer parks?
I was just about to say, I didn't want to say that.
That is Boca.
I didn't want to say that.
Yeah, every time people say, oh, I live in Boca, I be like, oh, okay, where? Like, not because you live in Boca doesn't mean it's all nice. It's like regular, ordinary parts. That's just one, because I know several actual trailer parks in Boca. I mean, most of Boca is pretty rich still,
Yeah.
but there are regular parts.
I didn't want to say that.
You could see it though. I was like
No, I
literally.
did.
I'm saying I was literally pointing the camera there, so the camera could see what's going on.
It's a long road.
Yeah, and we didn't even start at the beginning. The beginning of this road goes all the way out to where they take those airboats. You know those airboats? They take them out into the Everglades. So if you take this road to the end of it, it's like places where people bring their airboats and launch their airboats from there. Alright, so here we're going to make a right turn at the lights. One of my favorite places, Wawa. I haven't been to Wawa since this crap
Never been
started.
to Wawa before.
Wawa is what's up, but to me, you can go into Wawa. Wawa is really nice. They have these like screens that you go in, computer screens, and you just go in and design whatever you want. Like you can design your own salad. You put what you want in it. You can design your own sandwich. You can design whatever.
I've heard good things about Wawa.
It's really good actually. Like the first time somebody tell me about it, I was like wow, what's gonna be so good about it? It's like gas station food, but it's not your typical gas station food. It's like going into Subway. You know what I'm saying? You pick what you want on the sandwich, and then there's people right there making them. It's really cool. I was up here early, the student that I was with just now. We actually came almost the zigzag route. Alright, so you see down here, signal left, and
Speed up?
yeah,
Are you sure? This
Yeah.
one's going really fast.
speed up and go gradually. Alright, you see that how we kind of just crossed in the intersection? You want to try to change before the intersection or after you pass the intersection. Right? It's not a good idea to change lane in the intersection. I get a lot of students over here. Yeah, I get a lot of engineers.
Not all of them down here.
Yeah, my cousin lives down there. Yeah. In a house your auntie lives, eh? Yeah, he lives down. You go down and make a right.
Yeah.
Really nice house.
You went all the way around.
Who, we? Yeah. I told you we was gonna circle around and come back this way. Bus be long, double-decker bus. Double
You ever
length.
drive the big buses?
And I've never, if I ever drove one myself personally, no. But I've driven like trucks, big trucks.
Ooh, that is scary.
Yeah, those are mad big.
You have to pay attention.
Who?
Like when you're driving those big trucks.
You need to pay attention, period.
I mean, yeah. Or like for real.
I mean, it does require more.
I hate to see people like cut off big trucks, like on the highway. I'm
That
like,
is the
oh
dumbest
my
thing
God.
ever. I made a video on that. You see it? I have a
Oh,
video
it's
on
on
my
YouTube.
channel on YouTube. Yeah, yeah, where I'm saying exactly that. Like you definitely don't cut off a big old truck and then slow down in front of it.
I see that all the time.
Yeah, that is like the stupidest thing in the world because guess what? The trucks cannot stop. Like, you know, quickly. Like how cars could stop. Those things are extremely heavy. So if you pull up in front of them and think they're just gonna be able to stop, you're gonna be really, really sorry. Because they're gonna be slamming into you and pushing you half a mile down the road. Yeah, I'm not gonna make this video as long as yesterday. It's just too long. Alright YouTube, so I think I'm gonna end this video here. And again, you can see my student is doing extremely well.
Day 3.
Day number 3, and she's like almost an expert already, so yeah. Alright, so again, just like the video, press the notification bell, and share the video. Press that subscribe button, and I will see you on the next one.